Quoting, paraphrasing, and synthesizing are different ways that you can use source information in your writing. As you move from one method to the next, you integrate the evidence further into your argument, showing increasing critical analysis. Whichever method you use, you must cite and reference all source information appropriately. If you use it, cite it. Quoting is when you incorporate the exact text from a source into your work using quotation marks. It's the most basic way to use source information and generally isn't very critical. Usually you should only use quotes when you need to use the exact words in a source. For example, giving definitions, or including an extract from a poem, novel, or script. In paraphrasing, you summarise key information from a source in your own words. This shows some criticality as you're starting to process the information. A good practice is to take notes on just the relevant information and then use these notes to write. Here we're interested in the key points in the source, not the specific words that were used. See our grid notes video for more information. Don't just swap words from the source for synonyms or change the word order. It'll probably sound weird and it might be a form of plagiarism. Paraphrasing is useful, but if we only use paraphrasing, we'd end up with a list of unconnected source summaries. Avoid this by synthesizing source information, where you integrate evidence from multiple sources to construct your argument. This shows a lot more critical analysis as you're considering what the evidence means as a whole. Using your notes on individual sources, look for connections between information. Where are the similarities, differences? How does the evidence fit in with your own research findings or argument? Use these connections and your own critical comments to write your argument. See our video on building a critical argument for an example. Find loads more resources and advice on our academic writing guide, subjectguides.york.ac.uk/academic-writing.